I'd like to start today off with asking you two questions. The first question is, how many of you here have started a company before? Okay, a lot of you here. So how many of you have failed? Okay, a lot of you too. That's good. My name is Edward, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of StartupYard, and we are here to help startups. So every year, there's at least 600,000 online businesses, new online businesses, registered ones. But unfortunately, less than 10% of those succeed. And so why are we building StartupYard? So I'm going to tell you about a story of me in 2009. So in 2009, I had this great idea to tag products in pictures. So I was really excited about this idea. The first thing I thought about was to just build it. But unfortunately, I wasn't a very good coder, so I had to outsource my idea. And we weren't really going out to talk to our customers and validating our idea. So we actually ended up building a very complex product with all the wrong features. But actually, people were really excited about our idea. We got a lot of press. TechCrunch also featured us. But in the end, it just didn't work out. And I think there's just too many other people like me out there. But I think that failures actually teach you a lot more than successes. So through that experience, I actually had a whole new transformation. I became a lean startup practitioner, an expert in SEO and content marketing. I also went on to become the CEO of National Division at Groupon Taiwan. So along the way, I even started helping some startups build and grow. And today, I want to scale that effort. So that's the reason why we built StartupYard, and it's an online school for startups. So how this works is that there's two parts of this. The first part is an interactive course based on the lean startup and other proven methods from case studies and experts. So we've broken this whole startup thing down into step-by-step. So for anybody, it's super easy to get started, even if you don't know how to code. And also, we let you track your progress. Everything you input, we save it for you, so that even if you have a 9-to-5 job, it's very easy to get off work and just return back to starting your business. And also, we believe in showing and not telling. So everything we promise that you're going to get results for it. So built on top of that, there's actually a whole social community around that. So as a startup, you can connect with other users, startups, experts, or investors. So they can discuss about topics. You can get feedback for the things you want to ask about. And you can also collaborate and just partner up with other startups. So let me show you how this works. So this is a screenshot of our dashboard. On the top right, you'll see that there is a widget for your project, and you can also see the progress. On the left, in the middle, where you can see the feed of all the startups in your network and what they're talking about. For instance, this startup is asking the other startups in his network to give him feedback for his MVP. So let's just say you're in the mood to build, you dive into our course. Our course has 5 main sections, from having an idea, to validating it, to building it, to growing it, and to getting it funded. So here's another example of, if you dive in deeper, you go into the task. This task could actually help you soft launch, and then get your first 100 early adopters. And the two main customer segments that really love our platform are the entrepreneurs. These people are the ones who have great ideas. They don't know how to get started, and they really want to learn. And also the entrepreneurs who are experienced. They have something, but they're stuck, and they really want to grow. And so far, we've actually already found 1,200 or more of those entrepreneurs on our platform. And we've grown them just basically from word of mouth, and also from our favorite tech spots. So what do our users think about us? Frank is one of our favorite early adopters, and he said that as a first-time founder, he's found StartupYard to be simply awesome, and which helped him build his first website, which is on this screenshot below. And users like Frank also love that we hosted a Q&A session with Ash Mario. So we have partnerships like this which we plan to do a lot more in the future. Okay, well, so the market for the e-learning market for startups is actually growing. There are alternatives, I mean, and unemployment rate is high. But the thing is, Started Up is actually the only solution out there that has a whole continuous guide, a focus on social, helping you connect with others. And also, we're not just an e-learning platform, but an e-building platform. So how big is this market really? I mentioned it was 600,000, but it's actually a lot bigger. So this is data from many sources, which tells us that there's actually 300 million new websites per year. That is huge. So how do we plan to take advantage of that? So we have 2 plans on our website. The first one is a freemium model. You get limited access to the course. You also have limited communication options with other users and experts. And obviously for $25 per month, you get the whole deal. And we also have additional revenue streams. So if you're a service provider, we welcome you. You can come help our startups and provide your tools to our startups because they need it. And also, we also want to upsell our users on additional tools, events, and services. So what's really cool about what our platform can become in the future is, number one, we're looking to maybe expand to other markets in different languages. Some people have actually already asked us to partner up with us to expand into different languages. We're other verticals, say hardware or offline. And also, I mean, Startup is a great place for people matching, right? We're going to have all the startups and mentors on the website. And at the same time, a lot of people have also suggested that if we could become an investment platform, it would be great because we have all that data from the startups. So the team behind making all this happen is me, Edward, I'm the CEO, and also Ital, who's a super hacker, and he was also the lead developer over at Computer Associates. So what's next for us is that we're looking for help. So if you're an accelerator, an expert, a mentor, or a service provider, or you're a startup yourself, please come sign up and help. And also, we're looking for $200,000 in funding. I mean, our users already love our platform. We want to be able to create additional productivity tools to help further our value to them. And also, we want to organize more offline events and workshops. And this will last us for another 6 to 8 months. So at the end, I will have to say, so next time you think about starting or funding a startup, remember that there's always a better choice than to just build it. Thank you. Questions?
Question. What is your customer acquisition strategy?
Sorry, what was that?
Customer acquisition strategy.
Okay. So as of now, I think I can't say that we've reached product market fit. So we're still trying to figure out what's the most value for our users. And right now, about 60% of our traffic comes from word of mouth. They're all direct traffic. And the rest is coming from some of the stories that we were covered in. And also, we're doing a lot of answering people's questions on Quora, which gives us a lot, the conversion rate from Quora is really, really high.
So very quick question. Were you guys maybe thinking about gamifying the whole thing and, adding like badges and...
Yeah, we actually have that. So let me, so we actually, yes, we have that, and we basically try to have that at any stage that we actually want them to take action on. So on the right, your next achievement. Yeah.
Could you share some numbers with us? How many paid customers with your growth and so on?
So we launched on February 20th, and so far we already have close to actually 1,300 startups on our platform.
We are fine, thank you.
Thank you.